If you want to learn how to create a mobile application like an Android application but you don't know where to start, ChatGPT AI can help you. All you need to do, describe your app idea in simple words. ChatGPT write all the code for you. It also show you how the code works so you can learn and understand while building your app. Let me show you how. You need to open ChatGPT in your browser and paste the prompt. Here I mentioned some my requirement for the app to understand, and ChatGPT will follow these instructions. You can see the ChatGPT AI start working on my requirement and writing the code. Here ChatGPT will show you step by step what you need to done. You need to follow the steps. Also, ChatGPT mentioned the comments on the code, so it will be easy for you to understand the code. ChatGPT will also add the setting screen for the app and also set up navigation to user interaction. ChatGPT have write the all code for the app. To see the output of the code, watch my next video.